Third problem, check which of the following are solutions of the equation 2x minus 5y is equals to 10. So they have given the equation 2x minus 5y is equals to 10, and these are the given bits. In among this, which one is the solution of 2x minus 5y is equals to 10? We need to find out. So let us solve the first bit. In solution, let us write what is the given equation. So given equation is 2x minus 5y is equals to 10. Now we have to substitute this value 0, 2 in this equation, that is in LHS. So on substituting 0, 2, LHS will be LHS is equals to 2x is 0 minus 5y, y is 2. So 2 zeros are 0 minus 5 2s are 10. So 0 minus 10 is minus 10. Next RHS is equals to, that is 10. So since LHS is minus 10 and RHS is just 10, so here we can write, since LHS is not equals to RHS, so therefore we can say 0, 2 is not a solution. So it is not the solution. Next we are having 0, minus 2. Let us substitute this. So we know the equation. In solution, let us write given equation. So equation is 2x minus 5y is equals to 10. Let us substitute. On substituting 0, minus 2, LHS becomes, so LHS is equals to 2 of 0 minus 5 into minus 2. So 2 zeros are 0 minus into minus plus 5 2s are 10. So 0 plus 10 is 10. So this is nothing but LHS. Next RHS. So RHS is 10. Since both are equal, since LHS is equals to RHS, so therefore we can say that 0, minus 2 is a solution. Next, now we will go for third bit. So given equation is, let us write given equation is 2x minus 5y is equals to 10. Now let us substituting 5, 0 in LHS. So LHS is equals to 2 into 5 minus 5 into 0. So 2 5s are 10 minus 5 zeros are 0. So 10 minus 0 is 10. So this is LHS. Next RHS. So RHS is 10. So since LHS is equals to RHS, so therefore 5, 0 is a solution. So it is a solution. Fourth bit, 2 root 3 minus root 3. So let us write in solution given equation. So given equation is 2x minus 5y is equals to 10. So in LHS, let us substitute in LHS. So LHS is 2x minus 5y. So what is x? X is 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 minus 5y. Y is minus root 3. So 2 2s are 4. 4 root 3. Minus into minus plus 5 into root 3 is 5 root 3. So 4 root 3 plus 5 root 3 is 9 root 3. Next we know the RHS. RHS is 10. So since LHS is not equals to RHS, so therefore we can say that 2 root 3 comma minus root 3 is not a solution. Next, fifth bit, let us write the solution. So given equation is 2x minus 5y is equals to 10. Now let us substitute 1 by 2 comma 2 in LHS. Substitute 1 by 2 comma 2 in LHS. So LHS will be is equals to 2 into 1 by 2 minus 5 into 2. So 2 cancel, 1 minus 5 2s are 10. So 1 minus 10 is minus 9. And RHS, so RHS is 10. So since LHS is not equals to RHS, so therefore we can say that 1 by 2 comma 2 is not a solution. Fourth problem, find the value of k if x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equals to k. Find two more solutions of the resultant equation. So first they have given x value and y value. These two are the solutions of this equation. Next, after finding the value of k, we need to find two more solutions for this equation. So let us start. In solution, let us write. So what is given? Given that x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1 is a solution. Is a solution of 2x plus 3y is equals to k. Now we will substitute that x is equals to 2 and y is equals to k, 1. So therefore 2 plus 3 1 is equals to k. So 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3 is equals to k. So k is equals to 4 plus 3 is 7. So the value of k is 7. Now the equation becomes, so therefore the equation becomes 2x plus 3y is equals to 7. So this is the required equation. Now we need to find out two more solutions. For writing the two more solutions, let us draw a box. X, y and the solution, that is x comma y. So let us take x as 0. So if we substitute x is 0, we get 3y is equals to 7. So 2 zeros are 0. So 3y is equals to 7. 3 goes down. So y is equals to 7 by 3. So the solution is 0 comma 7 by 3. 0 comma 7 by 3. Next, let us take y as 0. So we get 2x plus 3 into 0 is equals to 7. So 3 zeros are 0. 0 plus 2x is 2x. 2x is equals to 7. 2 goes down. So x is equals to 7 by 2. So the solution is 7 by 2 comma 0. So these are the two different solutions. Fifth problem, if x is equals to 2 minus alpha and y is equals to 2 plus alpha is a solution of the equation 3x minus 2y plus 6 is equals to 0, find the value of alpha. Find three more solutions of the resultant equation. So this is the given equation, and for this equation we are having this solution. After substituting this in that equation, we need to find out alpha. Then we need to find out three different solutions. So let us start. In solution, let us write what is given. So given x is equals to 2 minus alpha and y is equals to 2 plus alpha is a solution of 3x minus 2y plus 6 is equals to 0. So thus, if you substitute this in x place, so 3 into 2 minus alpha plus minus 2 plus alpha plus 6 is equals to 0. So 3 2s are 6, minus 3 into alpha 3 alpha, minus 2 2s are 4, minus into plus is minus 2 into alpha 2 alpha plus 6 is equals to 0. So 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 minus 4 minus 3 alpha minus 2 alpha is minus 5 alpha is equals to 0. So 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 minus 5 alpha is equals to 0. 8 goes to that side. It will become minus 5 alpha is equals to minus 8. Minus minus cancel, 5 goes down. So alpha is equals to 8 by 5. Next, we need to find out 3 more solutions. For finding 3 more solutions, let us draw a box. Let us write x, y and x comma y. So in solution, let us write x is equals to 0 first. So 3 into 0 minus 2y plus 6 goes to that side, it will become minus 6. Minus 2y is equals to minus 6. Minus minus cancel, 2 goes down. So y is equals to 6 by 2. 2 1s are, 2 3s are. So therefore the value of y is 3. So 0 comma 3. Next, let us take y as 0. So 3x minus 2 into 0 is equals to minus 6. 3x, 2 zeros are 0 is equals to minus 6. 3x minus 0 is 3x is equals to minus 6. 3 goes down. So x is equals to minus 6 by 3. 3 1s are, 3 2s are. So x is equals to minus 2. Let us write minus 2 comma 0. Next, as we have done with zeros, let us take x is equals to 1. Now substitute 3 into 1 minus 2y is equals to minus 6. 3 1s are, 3 minus 2y is equals to minus 6. 3 goes to that side. So minus 2y is equals to minus 6 minus 3. So 2y is equals to minus 9. Minus minus cancel, 2 goes down. So therefore y is equals to 9 by 2. So 1 comma 9 by 2. 1 comma 9 by 2. Sixth problem, if x is equals to 1, y is equals to 1 is a solution of the equation 3x plus ay is equals to 6. Find the value of a. So in solution, it is clearly said that given x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 1 is a solution of 3x plus ay is equals to 6. So this is a solution of that equation. So let us substitute. Then 3 into 1 plus a into 1 is equals to 6. So 3 1s are 3 plus a 1s are a is equals to 6. 3 goes to that side, a is equals to 6 minus 3, a is equals to 3. Seventh problem, write 5 different linear equations in 2 variables and 3 solutions for each of them. So we have to write 5 different linear equations. For each of them, we need to find 3 solutions. So let us take in first solution, first bit, let us take 2x plus 3y is equals to 6. So this will be x, y, x comma y. Now let us take x is equals to 0. So if x is 0, we get 2 into 0 plus 3y is equals to 6. 2 zeros are 0, 3y is equals to 6, 3 goes down. So y is equals to 6 by 3, 3 1s are, 3 2s are. So therefore y is equals to 2. So the solution is 0 comma 2. Next, let us take y is equals to 0. So 3x plus 2x plus 3 into 0 is equals to 6. So 2x, 3 zeros are 0 is equals to 6. 2x plus 0 is 2x is equals to 6. 2 goes down. X is equals to 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So x is equals to 3. So we can write 3 comma 0. Next, let us take x is equals to 1. So x is 1. So 3, 2 into 1 plus 3y is equals to 6. 2 ones are 2 plus 3y is equals to 6. 2 goes to that side. So 3y is equals to 6 minus 2. So 3y is equals to 4. 3 goes down. Y is equals to 4 by 3. So this is the solution. 1 comma 4 by 3. Let us take the second equation B like this. 2x plus 5y is equals to 10. So let this x be 0. So we get 2 into 0 plus 5y is equals to 10. So 2 zeros are 0. 5y is equals to 10. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So therefore y is equals to 2. So 0 comma 2. Next, let us take y is equals to 0. So 2x plus 5 into 0 is equals to 10. 2x, 5 zeros are 0 is equals to 10. 2x plus 0 is 2x is equals to 10. 2 ones are 2 5s are. So therefore x is equals to 5. Now we can write 5 comma 0. Next we can take x is equals to 1. 2 into 1 plus 5y is equals to 10. 2 ones are 2 plus 5y is equals to 10. 2 goes to that side. So 5y is equals to 10 minus 2. So 5y is equals to 10 minus 2 is 8. 5 goes down. So y is equals to 8 by 5. 1 comma 8 by 5. Let us take third bit. X minus 2y is equals to 8. Now x as 0. So 0 minus 2y is equals to 8. Minus 2y is equals to 8. 2 goes down. Y is equals to 8 by minus 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are. So therefore y is equals to minus 4. 0 comma minus 4. Next let us take y is equals to 0. So x minus 2 into 0 is equals to 8. X minus 2 zeros are 0 is equals to 8. X minus 0 is x is equals to 8. 8 comma 0. Next we can take x as 1. So 1, when x is 1, 1 minus 2y is equals to 8. 1 goes to that side. Minus 2y is equals to 8 minus 1. So minus 2y is equals to 7. Minus 2 goes down. Y is equals to minus 7 by 2. 1 comma 7 by 2. Let us write fourth bit as x plus y is equals to 6. Now take x as 0. So 0 plus y is equals to 6. So therefore y is equals to 6. Now we can write 0 comma 6. Next we can take y as 0. So x plus 0 is equals to 6. X plus 0 is x is equals to 6. So 6 comma 0. Next, now we can take x is equals to 1. X is equals to 1. So 1 plus y is equals to 6. 1 goes to that side. Y is equals to 6 minus 1. Y is equals to 5. 1 comma 5. Let us take fifth equation as 7x minus 5y is equals to 3. Now x as 0. So we get 7 into 0 minus 5y is equals to 3. 7 zeros are 0 minus 5y is equals to 3. So 0 minus 5y is minus 5y is equals to 3. 5 goes down. Y is equals to minus 3 by 5. So 0 comma minus 3 by 5. 0 comma minus 3 by 5. Next, let us take y as 0. We get 7x minus 5 into 0 is equals to 3. 7x minus 5 zeros are 0 is equals to 3. 7x minus 0 is 7x is equals to 3. 7 goes down. X is equals to 3 by 7. 3 by 7 comma 0. Next, let us take x as 1. So 7x, 7 1 minus 5y is equals to 3. 7 ones are 7 minus 5y is equals to 3. 7 goes to that side. So minus 5y is equals to 3 minus 7. So minus 5y is equals to minus 4. Minus minus cancel, 5 goes down. Y is equals to 4 by 5. 1 comma 4 by 5.